Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to recover deleted screen recording video in Android phone. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, go to Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store, open it. And in this time you can see deleted video recovery. Please install this app and then open it. Video recovery restored related videos, view restore videos. You can choose restore related videos, so click on it. Restore related videos recovered, and in this time you can see view deleted videos. So click here, view deleted videos, and in this here you can see your all deleted screen recording video, and in this time you can easily recover. So let's see how to do that. So in this time you can select and choose your needed videos. I can choose and select these videos, so click on it. Here you can see share option, click here, and in this time you can easily share your restored video, and this is way you can easily recover or restore your deleted screen recording video. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.